Today I will be sharing a recipe from Alkaline Meals Ideas Volume 2 cookbook, and I'm starting with a half a cup of walnut butter. I will have a link in the description box below. You want to substitute the coconut milk for the walnut milk in this recipe. To that, I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, a half a teaspoon of sea salt, 3/4 of a cup of agave, a half a cup of agave powder, 1.5 cups of kamut or spelt flour, 3 tablespoons of aquafaba liquid, and 2 tablespoons of grapeseed or avocado oil. You want to mix the liquids together before adding the flour, and this is what it will look like. And then go ahead and add in your flour. I also added in a dash of Ceylon cinnamon and a little bit of clove as well, but that is optional. Then you want to go ahead and combine this together, and it will form a kind of thick pasty texture similar to a very thick walnut butter. You want it to be this texture. This will allow your cookies to be nice and chewy. Then you want to add them to a parchment lined baking pan, and you want to shape the cookies the size and shape that you would want them. The bigger the cookies are, the longer they will have to cook. You want to flatten them as well. They won't rise or spread out like normal cookies. They will hold and maintain their shape. So these are some that I baked on 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. These are larger cookies. If you make your cookies smaller, you want to adjust the size. So here I have some smaller cookies, and you can see the comparison. They're on the same parchment paper, so you can kind of see that they're about half the size of the first batch. And I shape these out and press them with my fingers, and I bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes. So depending on the size of your cookies, you want to adjust your cooking time. And these cookies, you want to let them cool again for about 15 minutes because they will be very soft when they come out of the oven, but they will remain soft and chewy even when they're at room temperature, and they are very delicious. They taste exactly like ginger cookies. You will not be able to tell these are a healthier alternative. And these are some that I topped with a little bit of agave glaze. And there you have it.